Welcome back to part 2 of the Fast and Furious build. This interior was fully sponsored by Yamamoto Model Parts, and thank you so much. These are amazing. The quality level is insane, they are super crisp, details are awesome, and super important, easy to install. So stay till the end because we have wheels and LEDs to install. You will love it. So, the interior is done. Was a little bit challenging, I must say, but the details are there. You can see that the Yamamoto products don't fail. Even the steering wheel, you can see it's almost real. The seats are amazing. Even the textures are well represented on the decals. Even the security harness are 3D printed, but they are almost real, I can tell. The shift knob and the handbrake, the sound system, everything was perfect. Exhaust system. This is the original and it's not really good. So we will use the zoom on one. It's 10 times better. You can see them. And we are making our connection pipe using the Tamiya rods. They are so versatile. You can use them for making anything you can think of. And I'm using always to do the exhaust systems. And the wheels are also from Yamamoto and they are super sharp. I recently started working with a Portuguese brand named FIRESCALE, and they have the best paints in the market. I will leave the link down below with a 10% discount on all products. This right here is the Black Gloss 2K, and it's the new item on their store. It's the best base color to use for chrome because it will give you the shine that you look and the slightly uniform base. And I've used too from FIRESCALE the carbon ceramics. This is my first time installing LEDs on a model, and it's not that difficult with this kind of kit. Basically, each LED comes with a coil, and the coil works with the distance from the base. time to assemble all together. In here you can see that I have managed to hide the coils. This kit comes with springs. I've tried to get the perfect fitment with the wheels. I've cut some small pieces of plastic to get that width of the wheel and that angle. Some zoom on door locks. And the Hobby Design metal logo. And to finalize, my personal custom Monaco plates. For me, this is what Hans would drive today in Tokyo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next build, and I have some surprises for you.